Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you is our July kit review. And if you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club, plus we also sell laser cut chipboard. And what we do every month is we reveal our kits for you here on reveal day. And they're also on our website at www.treasureleekids.com, so you can head over there and see what kits are available. If everything is sold out, then the one way you can guarantee getting a kit is by subscribing. So you can always head to our link on the website that says subscribe, and you can go ahead to subscribe to one kit, all 3 kits, or any combination of kits. They're all there for you to choose from. So in the meantime, you're here to see what the July kits are, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into that. Up, we have our scrapbook kit. And for the month of July, we've got more of a vintage heritage kit, because I was thinking, you know, for the summertime, a lot of people do family reunions, and with family reunions, you get a lot of people pulling out older pictures that people have never seen before, and you start talking about your family tree. So it's the perfect time to have those papers to go ahead and scrapbook those. So first of all, we're going to start with the embellishments, and the one thing Treasure Lee will always have is lots of flowers. So first up, you're going to have these flowers from Little Birdies, and these are handmade flowers, and these are their Denny Ivory Pearl, and you've got 13 pieces in here. So you've got some flowers, and then you've got like some stems here, and like they said, they're in ivory. And then you've got more Little Birdie, and these are their Lolita Earthy Moss, and you've got 7 pieces here, and they're a little two-toned, a little ombre. And then our last pack of Little Birdie, and these are their Fairy Garden Woodland, and you've got 5 pieces here, and these are more of a bunch. So you've got a bunch here, a bunch here, and a bunch here. And I love the colors of these. Also, you've got some chipboard pieces, and these are Treasure Lee designs. First off, you're going to have the mini film strips. And you're going to get a couple of the little insert pieces in there with them, and you're going to get 2 of these. And these are in our black chipboard. Our chipboard comes in black and in natural. And we do have a few limited edition pieces in white. And you can choose those on the website. If they're available in the different colors, you'll be able to choose those in the drop-down menu. And also, you're going to get our small clocks. And you're going to get a set of 3 of these. And more embellishments. These are going to coordinate perfectly with the paper. Our papers are from Simple Stories this month. And first up, you're going to get the captured bits. And this is a simple vintage essentials. And it's just a pack of ephemera. And there's 49 pieces in here. And these are all the pieces that you're going to get. Try and cut down on the glare a little bit for you. And these are cardboard pieces. Next up, you're going to get some more simple vintage essentials. And there's 22 pieces in here, more ephemera, but these are bigger pieces. And these you can use to layer behind your photos. You can use these for journaling. And you can also put these together to layer embellishments. And they show you how to layer these on the back. There you go. And next up, you're going to get some typeset rub-ons. Rub-ons are making a big comeback, and I really like these. These are kind of the faded rub-ons, and you're going to get 2 sheets of these. So there's the second sheet here, and here's the first sheet. So those are fun. And then you're going to get a pack of paper, and you're going to get 12 sheets in here. So let's open this up together. I haven't seen this since I ordered this at Creativations back in March. So let's go through the papers. There's your first sheet, and it is double-sided. And like I said, you're going to get 12 sheets. And it's a very neutral palette, but again, it's very vintagey. So again, like I said, I thought of, you know, everybody has family reunions during the summer, you know, and people pull out those vintage photos. You know, people bring out all the old photo albums, and you get to see all those old pictures, and now's the time to get those out of those old photo albums and into some scrapbooks. But this can also be used for masculine layouts as well, maybe some graduation layouts. You know, don't just stick to just the vintage just because it looks like it's vintage. There's a lot that can be done with this. And these papers are just beautiful. And I love that they're double-sided. This one's kind of one of my favorite sheets right here. I love the torn edges on here. Don't be afraid to distress your papers. This kit retails for $52. That does include your shipping. And again, it can be found on our website at www.treasurelikits.com. And I believe this is limited in stock, so if you're interested, you may want to head over there and pick one up before it sells out. So this has been our scrapbook kit for July, and this is everything that comes in it. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. We'll be right back. So now we have our cards, tags, and more kit. And just as the name says, it's our cards, tags, and more kit. One month you may get stuff for cards. The next month you may get stuff for tags. The next month you may get something for mini albums. It's just, if you like to do small paper crafts, then this kit will be for you. This kit retails for $42. First up, we've got more flowers from Little Birdie, and I love these. These are blue, but if you notice here, they are edged in gold. They all have gold accent on them, and they coordinate with the papers in this kit really well. You're also going to get some chipboard. These are our profile butterflies, and these are in the store, so you can find these under nature and our profile butterflies. Next up, you're going to get a pack of ephemera, and these are die-cut cardstocks, and these are from Asuka, and it's their Dusty Rose line. You're going to get 24 pieces in here, and that's what you get in here, and it coordinates with the paper. We're getting slimline paper because slimline cards are all the rage right now, and so we decided to give you the stuff for slimline cards, and you're going to get 24 sheets of the paper, and it is double-sided. So what you're getting is 3 sheets of 8 different designs. So you've got that here, but these are so cute because you can cut these out if you want. These are little sayings, like little tags, and here's the back side of those. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the back side of the front ones. And here's the back side. So there's the back side of those. You've got the back side here, and here you've got some little tabs, and then you've got the back side here. And I like that you're getting 3 of each, so if you want to use the tabs here, you've still got 2 sheets where you can use the back side here. You've got more back side, and then here you've got some words, and again, you can use one of these, and then you still have 2 more of the back side here that have different words on them. So you've got 2 sets of words, and then you've got another one, and here's your back side, and here's your last one, and there's your back side. And you're also going to be getting 6 sheets of white cardstock to create your slimline cards. So, and make sure you're following us on YouTube, because our designers will be creating with these kits and showing you how to create or recreate what they create with these kits. And again, this is on our website at www.treasurelikits.com. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. This month for our mixed media kit, we've got some big bottles of botanicals from Cosmic Shimmer, And these are 60 milliliters. So these are the big bottles of botanical stains from Cosmic Shimmer. And these can be used as watercolor. These can be used as mist. They can be used several different ways. The first bottle is marigold. The next bottle is black bean. And then the next bottle is wood blue. And the purpose of our mixed media kit is to help you build up your mediums, but we also throw in a little project. So you've got this paper mache star, and you've got a paintbrush to alter. And you can combine these with our past medium kits. And it's just to build up your stash of mediums and to try out different mediums. So we like for you to be able to pull this kit out as a standalone kit and go ahead and use it with just a few other things from your stash. But it's all about trying out different mediums. And so we gave you some colors that kind of coordinate together so you can go ahead and use these right away. This kit retails for $47. And again, it's available in the store on the website at www.trejoliekit.com. So this has been all three of our kits for July. Thank you for stopping by, and we will be having a Christmas in July sale as well, so you can go ahead and go back and pick up some past kits if you're interested. And don't forget to check out our chipboard selection. Just go to Chipboard and you'll see all the different categories. You click on the category and it'll show you everything that's available in our category. And this has been Kim for Trejolie Kits. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.